Hi, I'm here today to present to you this Cash App to Blockchain Exchange platform. But before I go into the actual platform, I want to tell you more about how this platform could be used and different applications for this platform. So let's go quickly. The idea behind this, it's to create like a loyalty program where you pay with Cash App Pay and then receive cryptocurrency back, and that stores could use this platform to create a way for their customers to keep coming back with the rewards they get, but as a cryptocurrency from the store. Because people are looking to save money, they're looking to receive rewards, and that's the number one driver of different loyalty programs. And all these rewards could be incorporated into Cash App to blockchain exchange. So the way the platform works is first, it's a two-part platform. So we have a client which does the Cash App Pay and it renders the Square. And from there, we are able to process the payment transaction, and the payment token is sent to Square. And then once the payment goes through with Square, then a second payment happens on the blockchain where we issue a coin. And this is a custom coin that we created specific for this project. It's called Eureka Coin, and we involved the community into picking the name to choose whichever name that they liked from polls, Instagram polls. And then that's how the Eureka Coin was submitted. And now people can be issued this coin. And the way this works, once your Square payment goes through, then the blockchain transaction happens with three stages. And the first is to create a Stellar account and then create a trust line between our issuer account to the Stellar account of the customer. And then once the trust line is established, then we add the Eureka coin. And so let me show you actually the platform so that you can get an idea. So this is the page, and you can see here you send money. So it's a very simple UI, and you send money. There are some terms, and then you can continue and add information. In the meantime, it will generate your Cash App Pay button, depending on whether this is for Sandbox or production. So, and that will be generated while you wait, and it will bring in the amount from the previous window. Then this asks for people to scan, but if it's on a mobile app, then it will automatically open their Cash App, and then they can allow. Once it's allowed, you'll see that it's connected, and then the customer can send the money. And once that's done, it will start loading, and the Cash App transaction is happening. Thank you for sending. You may find your receipt here, and then it will generate also the blockchain transaction. It will show you received the coins corresponding to. So when I sent $5, it's taking 30% and putting it into the coin, basically like how a loyalty program would work. And then it gets assigned to your public key. But if this was the first time I did this, or if the user is new, then you'll be assigned a public key and a secret key. So, but since I already have a public key and a secret key, the platform doesn't save your secret key. So that's why it only tells you that you can use the same secret key that corresponds to this in case you need to connect this to a different platform like Freighter, or use any of the wallets that are offered on Stellar. And you can find your receipts here. This will show you that basically everything that just happened, it's happening in real time. Then you also have your blockchain transaction. You can either double check the blockchain transaction on Stellar.expert and confirm that the transaction happened and get all the details. You can also double check again, but anywhere where there's a on the Stellar network, you'll be able to find the transaction and the details for the transaction that just happened. And so once this is done, we ask people to either save the information or just screenshot the information. But also they receive an email confirmation for the Cash App transaction and then confirmation for the blockchain transaction with all the details. And so this is what the project is about. And thank you for organizing this.